When people talk about the CRNA profession, the conversation often centers on salary, demand, or autonomy. But one of the most influential factors shaping a nurse anesthetist's daily experience is the job model itself. Two nurse anesthetists can work in the same city, serve similar patient populations, and earn comparable income, yet have completely different professional lives depending on whether they practice in a care team model or an independent practice model. Job models influence how decisions are made, how responsibility is shared, how stress is distributed, and how sustainable a role feels over time. Understanding these differences early helps prevent mismatched expectations and career frustration later on. In this video, we're going to break down the two primary job models in nurse anesthesia and explain what they actually look like in real clinical practice. What job models really mean in nurse anesthesia? A job model is not a job title or a measure of professional value. It describes how anesthesia care is structured within a facility. Job models define who makes clinical decisions, how oversight functions, how cases are assigned, and how accountability is distributed. They shape daily workflow more than any single policy or benefit package. The two dominant models in nurse anesthesia are the care team model and the independent practice model. Each exists for specific operational, regulatory, and patient care reasons. Neither is inherently superior, but each fits different clinicians at different points in their careers. Understanding job models is about clarity, not competition. The care team model explained. In the care team model, anesthesia care is delivered collaboratively. Nurse anesthetists work alongside anesthesiologists within a structured team environment. Responsibilities are shared and oversight is part of the workflow. Depending on the facility and state regulations, anesthesiologists may provide medical direction, supervision, or consultative support. In many care team settings, nurse anesthetists manage cases independently from induction to emergence, while anesthesiologists oversee multiple rooms or provide availability for complex decisions. This model often offers predictable schedules, defined roles, and built-in collaboration. For many nurse anesthetists, especially early in their careers, this structure provides confidence and support while clinical skills continue to mature. What autonomy looks like in the care team model. Autonomy in the care team model exists, but it is contextual. Nurse anesthetists routinely make independent clinical decisions, manage anesthetics, and respond to patient needs. However, those decisions occur within a shared responsibility framework. The level of autonomy varies significantly between institutions. Some care team environments allow substantial independence, while others are more tightly protocol-driven. Team culture often matters as much as formal policy. For some nurse anesthetists, this shared decision-making feels collaborative and reassuring. For others, it may feel restrictive if expectations about independence are not aligned. Understanding how autonomy functions day to day is critical before accepting a role. Independent practice explained. Independent practice operates under a very different structure. In this model, nurse anesthetists deliver anesthesia care without anesthesiologist supervision. Clinical judgment, case management, and patient outcomes rest directly with the nurse anesthetist. Independent practice is most common in specific states, rural hospitals, critical access facilities, and certain surgical centers. In these settings, nurse anesthetists may manage the entire perioperative anesthesia process from preoperative evaluation through postoperative care. This model offers a high degree of professional independence and efficiency. Decision-making is immediate, and workflow is often streamlined. However, independence also brings increased responsibility and accountability. What responsibility really means in independent practice. Responsibility in independent practice extends beyond clinical care. Nurse anesthetists are directly accountable for decision-making, documentation, and outcomes. There is no supervisory buffer. Clinical judgment carries full professional and legal weight. This level of responsibility can be deeply satisfying for nurse anesthetists who value autonomy and confidence in their skills. For others, it can feel stressful, especially in high acuity or unpredictable environments. The key factor is alignment. Independence rewards preparedness, experience, and comfort with risk management. Without that alignment, independence can feel overwhelming rather than empowering. If this explanation is helpful, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like covered next, because this channel is focused on helping nurse anesthetists make informed, realistic career decisions. Now let's keep going. Daily workflow differences you don't see online. Online discussions often reduce job models to autonomy debates, but daily workflow differences matter more. In care team settings, schedules are often standardized. Break coverage, call rotations, and case assignments are shared. Emergencies are handled within a layered support system. In independent practice, workflows are often broader and less segmented. Nurse anesthetists may handle preoperative assessments, intraoperative management, and postoperative transitions more directly. Emergency response relies on individual judgment rather than hierarchical escalation. Neither workflow is inherently easier. They simply demand different skill sets, pacing, and stress tolerance. How job models affect call and coverage. Call responsibilities often differ significantly between models. Care team roles may distribute call across larger groups, with defined backup systems and escalation pathways. Independent practice roles may involve fewer providers covering broader responsibilities. For some nurse anesthetists, this autonomy during call feels efficient and manageable. For others, shared coverage feels more sustainable. Understanding call expectations in real terms, not just frequency, but intensity, is essential when evaluating job models. How job models shape career longevity. Job models influence not only early career satisfaction, but long-term sustainability. Some nurse anesthetists thrive in independent practice early, then transition into care team roles later for balance. Others begin in structured environments, build confidence, and eventually seek greater independence. Burnout risk, job satisfaction, and professional identity are shaped by how responsibility and autonomy are balanced over time. Flexibility in career planning often matters more than choosing a single model permanently. Careers evolve. Job models should evolve with them. Why there is no better model. One of the most common questions is which model is better. The truth is that no model is universally better. The better model is the one that aligns with your experience, clinical confidence, lifestyle priorities, and long-term goals at a given time. Care team models emphasize collaboration and structure. Independent practice emphasizes autonomy and responsibility. Both require competence, professionalism, and accountability. Career satisfaction comes from alignment, not ideology. What to evaluate before choosing a job model. Before accepting a position, nurse anesthetists should look beyond job titles and marketing language. Understanding supervision structure, case mix, call expectations, escalation protocols, and decision-making authority provides far more insight than surface-level descriptions. Asking how autonomy is practiced daily, not theoretically, helps avoid mismatched expectations. Clear conversations early prevent frustration later. The real takeaway. Care team and independent practice models are not competing philosophies. They are different frameworks for delivering anesthesia care. Each offers advantages and trade-offs. Neither defines competence or professional value. What matters is choosing environments that support growth, confidence, and sustainability at each stage of your career. Clarity around job models empowers nurse anesthetists to build careers intentionally instead of reactively. Before you go, click the next recommended video on your screen. It builds directly on this discussion and helps connect job structure to lifestyle, workload, and long-term career decisions. I'll see you in the next one.